Another pass or fail featuring my girl Luna. We're going to start off using the Melt Cosmetics palette in the shade Cupcake to begin with.
So I'm just putting it down a transition shade so that the black doesn't come out too harsh.
So on looking at her picture, I see that she does have a halo eye. So I want to really concentrate that black shadow within the inner corner and the outer corner. So let's use another palette with the shade Galaxy. That is kind of a bluish black color. And then on top, Subcluster, which is my favorite color from this palette. And why not add another shimmer in the shade Mercury? With the Urban Decay eyeliner pencil, I get to kind of smudge out this color just a tad bit more, just to give that smoky look. So I'm going to intensify the color blue using the Nessa Myricks eyeshadow palette. Using the new Tower 28 tinted lip treatment in the shade Blood Orange Vanilla.
So we're going to do a lip combo with Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in the shade Malt, Jacqueline Cosmetics Toasty.
With the new tinted lip treatment, you get a cushiony vegan treatment balm that delivers intense hydration with a sheer tint. If you have dry lips, this may be for you.
So, what do you think?
Did I pass or did I fail my girl Luna? Come back for some more pass or fails. Bye!